Welcome back to season 2 of Cooking with Belle, Kids Edition.
Welcome back to season 2 of Cooking with Belle, Kids Edition.
Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Belle, season 2.
Welcome back to season 2 of Cooking with Belle, Kids Edition. Hi, I'm Belle. I wanted to make a show where everyday folks like you and me can eat well cheap. This is Cooking with Belle.
I'll look into this camera.
Okay.
All right. Now, sit back.
You said look into it.
Just face the camera, son.
Yeah, look into the camera. All right.
You did right, baby.
All right.
All right. Okay, stand up. Let's go. Welcome to
Cooking with Belle, Kids Edition.
Welcome to season 2 of Cooking with Belle. All right, so we're going to be doing sliders.
What are sliders?
ham and cheese sliders.
I think the bread that you make slide like boom, here's your slider.
No, that's just what they call them.
So-
Little bitty sandwiches. How about that? Now,
They're sandwiches. So what we're going to do is have the kids help us cook. We're going to do some of the prep work first.
yeah,
but
this knife is involved. I'll cut the bread for them, and then I'm gonna let y'all put the cheese
Mike knives.
and the meat. How about that?
you got to pay attention so you can
I
see
am. You're pulling the bag behind mine, though. What are you trying to do? Make an enchilada sandwich for Dad?
She's making
Yeah.
a whole bunch of sandwiches.
That way you don't
That's
have
what
to
I call
cut.
an enchilada.
Is that what they call it?
It's a ham sandwich, ham and cheese sandwich. So what you do is you take your roll and you cut it in half, and then you're able to put all your stuff in it. Anything that you like, but we're just going to
Anything
use
that you
certain
want.
things.
But we're just doing ham and cheese. You could do turkey, chicken, whatever.
And if you do it as one, it's easier to put the tops
A
back
lot
on.
easier. Okay. Now,
Can we help?
yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Here,
Get into it, yeah.
come here. I'm gonna
See,
let you
kids
pack
have
the
the
bread.
funnest, and they
You
make
ready?
it easier, and it's not just like
Come
you're
in.
putting
I
it
want to do it.
together.
I want to do it.
So,
I got that
Caleb,
barbecue
come over
thing. I thought it was gonna make barbecue, but it's
Can I do
barbecue.
So you're just going to
Yeah.
spread that all over.
It's like a
Back and forth.
Yeah,
There you
there
go. It's almost like
Get some
painting
more.
it. Get some more.
It's
It's
like-
like painting.
Mm-hmm. Just like
There you
painting.
go.
There you go. Okay, make sure every
I'm
part
gonna
is
keep
covered.
Get some.
Get some more, baby. You don't have to do that. Get some more. Now do
Don't be
this part.
shy. Get some more.
Okay. Come on.
Jesus.
And
Don't
see,
be shy.
sometimes you have to monitor the children whenever
Jesus
they're doing
Christ.
it because
Don't
There
be
you
shy.
go.
Put
they
some
don't
more.
know
Who's that?
learn how
Don't
to
press
cook.
too
But
hard.
this
You
is
don't
an
wanna take
Do you watch
the
adventure.
Mr.
bread up.
Snuggle?
With these
You want it to be
kids,
nice. Get
it's,
some more. You gotta know. Get
I
some
watch
more.
Korean Extension.
it's fun
And I
whenever
watch
the
Rico
kids are
Lasagna.
trying because you're teaching
You
them
don't
to
have to do
cook
it,
and
but just
sustain
look.
themselves.
Look,
So
look.
it's little things like this that make it fun.
Hey, your hands.
Now, you want to do the top half?
Yes.
There you go.
I should.
Do that part over there.
Can you
Hmm?
mail me first?
Yeah. Do this part up here. Come here, Lily. Peel that off.
You want me to take all of it off or just peel this part off?
Oh, can I help?
Hold on, Caleb. Mikey's doing that part.
Wow.
Lily's putting the
Peel
cheese
that.
on, and then she's
Do you
gonna
want me
show
to
you.
peel this part or just peel the whole thing off?
No, peel the
All of
whole
it. I
thing
can't
off.
pull. I can't put the paper on here.
Yes, you have to teach the kids the simple steps.
Oh, like
What
how?
I do?
Ask what you do with it.
Ooh, what's this for? The butter?
Do I just
Well, that's
Ask
gonna
her
be
where you-
your
where to
sauce
put
on
it.
your.
Where I put it?
Just hold on to it. Peel all of them.
Sandwich?
Just set it right here for now, and then peel the next one. Caleb, stop. We're gonna use that in a
It
moment.
came like a boom glue stick.
I know, but it makes it taste so much better.
The butter?
Are we gonna bake them or are we just
Yeah,
gonna leave
we're
Yes, we're
bake
gonna
them.
bake them. That's
No, not the
right.
cheese.
It's okay.
Huh?
I'm all
The
about
cheese
that
has
cheese.
broken.
About that cheese.
That's okay.
No, tuna.
All right. So
can
Mikey
tell
is
what the
done with
Okay,
that.
you done with
Instead
that?
of
So
sneezing,
we're gonna
I
move the mayonnaise out the way.
Really?
Yeah,
The
I'm
cameraman
gonna
left his
cheese.
heart out.
Okay, get your ham. Who want to lay some ham?
Oh, me.
You? Okay.
Yeah.
Now you got to lay it and make sure it's covered all over,
Now,
okay?
if you were to ask a
Can you
kid
move?
if they want a sandwich, sure, you can make
Look.
it. But now that it involves
Dang, how big
all
you need
these
the
little
ham?
intricacies,
And not
they all
like
want to
giant
be
or
so.
something?
Huh?
So big that you can fit your face on it.
Make sure you cover your cheese.
My cheesy.
My OCD has been triggered.
Yeah.
There you go. Now,
Let's cover all
Lily,
cheese.
where your pieces here? Now.
Yes, I'm not finished.
Why is
I can
it
help with
wet?
that. I can help with that.
Why is it that wet?
Hey,
I can open it in record time. Let me open it. Sorry.
You got 2 more pieces?
Can I open one?
No, you got another one.
I know.
So if you get that one
Excuse me,
here.
can I open one?
What?
Hold on, can I open that?
Okay.
She's got it. Give her a second. Everybody's got their part. You did yours, so just wait.
Now that's some first temple sass.
P-E-T-T-Y.
Ladies on here.
Here, I'm done. Last piece of cheese.
I am not petty. You are.
You get
I am hurt.
Cover your cheese.
I am flabbergasted. I
There you
can't.
go.
So you have to have gas.
No, that is not what that means.
No, cover your mom, cover your ears.
Okay.
I'm the jokester of the crew.
Let's get some of this.
So we're putting ham and mozzarella and Swiss cheese on it.
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
put that one
That
last
sounds
night?
Yeah. Get
Now,
ooh.
Boy.
Mine's been whipped after
Cheese,
this.
cheese. Let me put some cheese.
Well, I'm twirling the future.
Yeah.
you want to try it?
Oh, I'm gonna do
My ADHD is going crazy.
So, Michael,
You want to try it?
Strange, but I never noticed that.
Ew, what the heck?
Hey,
It looks
I
like
cleaned up
It's
the
mozzarella.
it's dry rice.
It's dry rice.
Yep.
Rice is always dry.
Okay.
No, it's
That's
not.
good.
It's born in swamp. Or made in swamp.
Now, I'm going to cover it back up.
Ooh.
Now, see how easy that was?
Slide.
Yeah. Now,
Slide to the
All right.
left.
Gonna-
Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha real smooth.
So we turned into a dance session in cooking. I love it.
I can
I
dance.
want,
Take it back now.
Close your ears.
I'll do that. He's dead.
I love it that my kitchen's big, but still small at the same time. You still run into people.
okay.
So we have the oven preheated
Yes, ma'am.
to
And I got
375. We have our sliders ready. And
Yeah.
now,
I'm melting the butter.
okay,
Oh, it looks like cheesy grits.
we're gonna use the same kind
Uh-huh.
of painted on there.
Now I'm put
Oh,
all
she's
that in
a
it.
Ooh.
Oh, can I try that?
This is a tablespoon of minced onion.
All right.
Can I try that, please?
I'm gonna let you.
Woo!
Here.
Stop.
This is some poppy seeds and
What was that
sesame
for?
seed.
We're on camera.
I think all my help has deserted me.
No, I'm back. I had to go do something.
Okay.
Oh, that looks good.
This is some parsley.
When you mix it up, I hope it'll look better. That's kind of disgusting.
Now we just recorded all.
Well, you know when you cook that up, it's gonna look better.
I don't like the way it's done. That is making my skin. Oh no.
Well, I guess y'all gonna be hungry when y'all grow up.
No, it's moving.
This kid's edition is very.
It's moving in the.
And that's the funny thing. Whenever you're doing your cooking, a lot of times you can't show the kids what actually goes in it. But once you get to the end result, it turns out so good, and everybody loves it.
Okay, now I can look at it. It's not doing all this stuff.
But that's
Okay.
all the time. It happens
Now.
like that.
I'm itching now.
Start painting your bread.
Now that looks
Oh, can I
good.
do like
That looks like garlic.
Take your time. Take your time.
It has some
You
garlic.
don't have to press hard. Just take your time. There you
Garlic butter.
Back.
Every part that's dry, put some on it. Okay.
Whoever get that middle part is
not on the
gonna.
side.
Not on the sides, just the top. And you want to know what that
I'm gonna
does?
spread some as well.
That makes it moisture to where whenever you're cooking it doesn't dry out.
Exactly.
Whoever gets the
And
middle
gives it a
is
good
lucky
flavor.
to hit the food
Yes.
jackpot.
Oh, it smells so good. Can I spread a little bit more?
Get some in your crevices.
Pour it all on
Jesus,
there.
I can do that.
Yeah.
What if
Make
you
sure
would
all
pour
of them
all
get
that on
some.
there? Because
All
I
your
think
crack.
it would be too
Okay, let your brother do some.
saturated.
Oh, no, baby, don't.
and
Right.
like-
Not really, because the
Okay.
oven is really hot, and once the heat attaches it,
Cause I don't want the
Very good.
bread to be soggy.
it's kind of hard to. Once the heat attacks it,
be
it
careful.
dries it out and it burns the top.
Okay.
So you got to put the butter and the
Some
moisture
No.
on the top to keep it
Not
from
enough.
burning.
Get some up there. There you
What do you
See,
mean?
it's
not
not
enough?
bothering
It's
me, but when
already
it
in
was
the
going off,
pan.
I was like,
All right, let's see.
what's with my skin? You pushing me. Can you stop?
So it's small right here. Do you
I
not
am
see
super
this?
fine.
All right.
Okay.
Am I
Michael.
acting like a
Now.
T-Rex like us?
Put that there.
Unexpected.
Look at another piece of foil. Now we're gonna take these,
Here's your daily dose of memes for you.
wrap them up. And put them in the oven for about 15-20 minutes.
So we just gonna take a little break.
Here we can.
We gonna take 5.
All right, and we're back.
Come this way,
And the sliders have been in the oven for about 20 minutes. And this is the finished product. We're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes so everything could come together, and then we'll cut into it.
I want
And then
that.
Because you want your cheeses to come together, so.
it's not, because it's
You
so
get
hot,
that,
it's just
right,
going to melt apart
right.
and slide apart. It's kind of, see how it's.
That's what you're talking about, Lily, your
Can you
cheese.
stop?
On my feet.
I know, just stand up straight, please.
I feel like cake is better than this. I feel like cake is better than this.
What is that? It's burnt on the bottom.
There you go.
It's burnt.
All right, now just set that one on.
Time for that to go where the sun don't shine.
He talking.
Dang.
He's saying that, but the burnt is the best part, Kayla.
Really? Is the seasoning really good?
3, 2, 1.
This is the way you want it.